how to fix this problem, whereby you open YouTube in your Redmi Note 14 and the video toolbox like this one is actually not showing. So if you want to fix that problem, stay tuned until the end of the video on the Redmi Note 14. You're going to go to the device settings. Okay, now when you go to the device settings, that's Redmi Note 14 settings, you're going to scroll down and look for what they call additional settings. When you tap additional settings, this comes up on your screen. You're actually going to look for what they call floating windows right here. So you tap on floating windows. Now you see this, tap on side toolbox right here, right there. Okay, now please make sure that the video toolbox option right here is actually toggled on. So you can see use tools and effects while watching videos, so you toggle this on. Now the next part is actually very important that you need to make sure you do. You come to what they call the manage video apps. Okay, tap right here. Now please make sure that within the apps included, make sure the YouTube app is actually added among these apps right here. To add the YouTube app, it's right here. Actually look for the YouTube app in these apps down below. For example, it's right here. Make sure you turn it on right here so that it appears in this list. Now you can actually see now 4 apps have been added. Now when you do that and come back, then open the YouTube app. Okay, you'll notice that your video toolbox option is actually now showing on the Redmi Note 14.